What's up, guys? Back down here at Sam's Throne to do a little rock climbing. And last night was around 39 degrees. It's one of the coldest nights in the old Freedom Camper so far. Still loving this thing. I guess you could call this the 6-month review. Had some questions in my comments about summer heat. I was fine till about 90 degrees. Anything above 90, you're probably gonna want an air conditioner in this thing, but the exhaust fan does me just fine. Summers where I live are fairly mild. I mean, it gets really hot in July and August, but I don't necessarily see the need for an air conditioning unit for 2 months out of the year. It would be nice though. As you can see, I still haven't figured out the spare tire issue. I would like to mount it on the roof of this. I'm just not sure what the best option is for that quite yet. But like I said, last night was about 39 degrees and I stayed perfectly warm. All I have in here is a 30-degree sleeping bag and a throw blanket, a couple pillows, a little memory foam pad. I plan on getting a cot eventually. I'm just cheap and haven't got around to buying one yet. This 100 amp hour battery has done me really well. I've only charged it twice since I've gotten this over a 6-month period of time. I'm loving it for this colder weather. There is no wind in there. I even left the windows open last night and I was still pretty warm. If you're concerned about being too cold in the winter, this does the job. So just to give you a 360 view of the inside of the Freedom Camper after 6 months. Got this hook here to hang a light on. My battery down here. I let it run with the one window open and was perfectly warm with just this blanket and a sleeping bag. I've never had a camper quite like this before, and it's just super nice to be able to roll in late, hop in, and go to sleep. Overall, I'm still super pleased with this Freedom Camper. My gas mileage hasn't really been affected that I've noticed. And if you saw my previous videos, this thing only weighs 190 pounds, so it's really easy to take in and out of your truck bed if you wanted to. I just leave it in here all the time because I go camping about every weekend. So it's just more convenient to leave all my stuff packed in the back and roll up to the campsite real late and hop in. That's definitely my favorite feature. No setup at all and no concern about weather. I haven't counted how many nights I've actually stayed in this thing. I've had it for 7 or 8 months, I believe. And like I said, I've taken it out about every weekend, at least one night on the weekends. I've now had it in early summer, late summer, and now fall and going into winter. It's been great in all the temperatures. Looking forward to getting it out this December, maybe in the snow. That'd be a fun video. Wow, I've never heard a gunshot at Sam's Throne before. That's pretty wild. Well, I guess I'm gonna jump off here, stop blabbing, and hop on some rock climbs.